What is going on, you guys? I hope you're all having an embraceful day. Today we're going to be working on the Rocket Bunny kit. We're going to be working on the front bumper covers again. These pieces, the ones that go down here, but I told you guys I was going to put a hole to it until I got the front lip that I was going to get. So I got the front lip. It's a NIA product. This lip is from a 2015, I think, Scion TC, which, as you guys can tell, it doesn't really fit that well. There's a decent amount of gap, but that's kind of what I want, because I am going to be cutting it in half and making it fit so it fits with these. The reason why I wanted to go with the NIA lip, let me try and move this back. The reason I wanted to go with the NIA lip is because, as you guys can tell, there's like two indentations right here. This piece, and then there's this one. I'm going to try and fit the bottom indentation to the bumper, and this top indentation is where this bumper cover is going to sit perfectly. As you guys can tell, it fits really good. Just this corner piece down here needs a little bit more curving. So with that being said, guys, we're going to start putting that on there. But I do have to chop the lip off first in half. Yeah, I know what that, I know guys, I know what you're thinking, but sorry, NIA. So I think this lip is going to be a little bit more difficult to fit. As you guys can tell, it's fitting alright right here, but I mean, it fits perfect. Once I put the bumper cover piece, it fits perfect on right there, as you guys can tell. But there's a decent amount of gap. I mean, I can push all that closer together, but look over here. Over here it starts dipping in, and that's how this side looks right here. So I might have to cut it maybe right here and make this fit a little bit more straight. Not sure yet, but I think the best solution to do is go back to my regular idea and fit these first and then the lip. I guess just ordering the lip made it just like a safety that I knew the lip was going to fit, because I wanted the lip to be a little bit more bigger. That way we have enough material to fit onto the bumper. Since we are going to be cutting some of the lip, I'd rather have more material than less material. So we know the lip fits, so we're going to get into putting these onto the front bumper, and then we'll figure out the whole lip situation, because the lip is going to need some work to do. So I decided to take a little break from the time lapse and just explain a couple things right now to you guys, since I'm placing the third piece right here. Because I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys are wondering when you guys are watching this time lapse, like, why am I breaking this up into so many little pieces? And the reason for that is because the RS3 lip has so many complications, curves, and indentations that you have to work your way around it. You can't just curve the fiberglass to fit everything, because fiberglass, as you guys know, it'll break if you try bending it. So there's 5 sections. There's this section, the bumper section, and then once we get to the R3 lip, you have this mid section right here, this one where it begins. So you gotta go in this little dip, and then you gotta make another one right here, another dip right here, and another one here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that's kind of the reason why I'm breaking it up into sections. So this piece fits good, then this piece fits good, then this piece fits good, and etc, etc. So I just wanted to come on here on the middle of the time lapse and just explain that to you guys, because I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys are gonna have questions. I'm pretty sure if I would have kept the front bumper like just this regular bumper with no R3 lip or anything like that, I'm pretty sure I would have been able to fit it without making any cuts or anything like that. But since I have the R3 lip, we have to work around those little indentations and little problems. But in the end, it's gonna work out. It's gonna look good. It's gonna look even better, because I doubt that many people are gonna be, even if you do the Rocket Bunny on the TC, I doubt that many people are gonna be doing it with the R3 front lip, because it's roadblock. I was trying to finish this small little piece that's left right here out of the front Rocket Bunny front pieces, but I didn't know where it was going to end on the back side. So I decided to place the lip on here and try and see and kind of like mark it up where it was going to end, because I need to see where it's going to end so I can stop it there. That way the lip fits perfect on it. I think what I'm going to do now is, well, not in this video, but I'm going to start trying to mount the lip up, and as you guys can tell, there's a lot of work that needs to get done on the lip in order to get it to fit. I kind of got it placed already where I think I'm going to be putting it at. It fits pretty good right here, but the only thing is it does start dipping down. So I tried lining up right here where it starts the straight path. I tried lining it up so it fits on top of the bumper right here. So if you see it from this angle right here, this piece is still higher than the bumper. That's kind of what I'm still aiming for. But in order to get this piece straightened out and picked up, we need to cut it somewhere right here along the lines right here and try and tilt this piece up, and then we're gonna have to add ABS plastic down here, because when we cut it, we tilt this piece, there's gonna be kind of like a triangle piece right here that's gonna be missing, which we're gonna have to fill in with ABS plastic, which will be another kind of journey, because I've never dealt with ABS plastic. I've never worked with ABS plastic, melting it and whatnot. I know there's like an iron or something like that that you have to use in order to melt the plastic or stuff like that. But I think that's where I'm gonna end today's video, guys. I'm gonna start the next video, which is gonna be trying to get this lip fitted onto the front bumper. Once we get that lip fitted, all we need is this small little piece that's right here, which I'll probably include with the front lip. So it's all going to be put together in one video. So I think that's where I'm going to end today's video, guys. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. And yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace out and embrace yourself.